Okay everyone, here's the fix for your wobbly screen for your BlackBerry Storm. As you can see, this one has the wobbly screen. So we have a product here that actually has two purposes. One is to stop the wobbly screen, and the second is to protect the chrome strips on the side from getting scratched if you drop it. So this is the product you're going to get. It takes a little bit of finagling, but basically you have to hold it here on each side and kind of slide it in between the screen like that. Once it's in, you're going to push everything down like this, and then you're going to peel off this transfer tape. And you could take a credit card or a business card, insert that in between to get that secured in. That's one side done. As you can see, can't even tell anything's there, but there's a clear piece of vinyl protecting your chrome strip, so that won't get scratched. Okay, and to install the other side, it's pretty much the same thing. We grab from each end, try to slide it in here, wiggle it in until it's even. We're going to fold this over like that and peel off the transfer tape, and then take your credit card, just make sure it's installed nice. Okay, here you go. The wobble, that's all you're hearing is the push screen, and there you go. Okay, and here you can see after everything's been installed that on the chrome piece you have a small area that's now clear vinyl, and that's going to protect this from any scratches. Same on both sides. And as you can see, clicks perfectly, and now you don't have as much wobble, and you've got a side that's protected. There it is.